Does your skin lack radiance and feels dry? Rejuvenate it and help it glow by these 4 honey-based face masks that you can whip it at home in no time. If you're interested, please keep watching. So, the very first face mask that I will be showing you is Turmeric Honey Face Mask. Whether you're suffering from skin dryness or acne, honey is a natural emollient that can work wonders for your skin. Turmeric has been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for literally thousands of years. Now, to make this mask, you need some honey and some turmeric. Then you mix it well and you put it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can just wash it off. Turmeric gains most of its healing power from its concentration of curcumin, a super powerful antioxidant. Research has shown that it has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to slow the effect of aging. Now, for the second mask, I am going to show you how to make cinnamon honey mask. Honey is a natural moisturizer that contains antibacterial and soothing properties. So again, you take some honey and a little bit of cinnamon powder, mix them well until it becomes a smooth paste. Cinnamon is packed with antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. The combination of this powerhouse ingredients will make your skin look clear and radiant. I also find this mask to be very exfoliating, so this particular mask is definitely one of my favorite. The third face mask is the Blackberry Honey Face Mask. So again, take a little bit of honey and 2 or 3 blackberries. Blackberries are particularly high in vitamin A, which is essential vitamin when treating breakouts. The high water content in this fruit also adds as hydration to the skin, and their amazing blend of minerals, especially zinc, are great for skin problems. It also works as an exfoliator as it gets rid of the dirt from your skin. Since it is packed with antioxidants, it helps to soothe skin inflammation. So last but not least, we have our Hydrating Avocado Honey Mask. This face mask is a must-try for someone with dry skin. Avocado is packed with healthy fat, and when applied to the skin, the natural oils nourish and hydrate your skin, increasing the skin moisture. It is packed with antioxidants and vitamin A, D, and E, protecting your skin from damaging UV rays. To make this mask, you need some honey and a scoop of avocado. Mix it well, apply it on your face, and wash it after 10 to 15 minutes. Taking a moment to take care of you can bring so much peace and serenity. It is definitely a great way to brighten your mood, your day, and your skin.